head is going to carry the base.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion.
Sit down now, Ndoka.
I don't think so. I won't stay here. I don't feel like staying here at all. Huh? In short, I think, Guam, is she here?
Lola. No, she has gone to school now. Forget her and eat your meal.
Auntie, I no fit forget waiting that girl do to my heart, Auntie. I no fit. Okay, man, I like I love mama. Too much.
Huh? I said you should forget about Lola. And eat your meal. Ndoka, oku Lola ga-ebu kwenu go. Ekwen manya.
In short, Auntie. Okay. What about your husband? Huh?
My darling, he's fine though. He has gone to work this morning.
How is it good man?
Oh, sit down. No job.
Ooh la la. Hey, Auntie man.
Yeah.
And then, this is very, very delicious, eh? As usual.
Thank you.
C'est bon. C'est bon.
Thank you, my dear. Hey, man, Nimu, Ejicha, and Messincha.
Auntie man.
Oh, Moo.
This is why I miss
you. Ndoka, for how long will you be in town?
It's just for a few days. Then I will go to the east to see Papa. Then I will come back to Lagos and finish business. You know?
That is good. You will stay in our place now until you...
Balance. Man, I won't stay. I can never stay here again. After all my experience, I won't.
Okay.
I cannot.
If you say so, no problem. At least you will come and see me before you go to the east. Okay?
Always right, eh?
Eat your food. Eat your food, don't Ndoka, I have a small problem.
Problem? Auntie, what is the problem? Whenever I am around, when Ndoka is, problem will vanish. What is it? What is the problem? Tell me, what is it?
It's Jumoke.
Jumoke? You are Dr. Jumoke? What did you do? What happened to her?
Ndoka, I don't know. But Jumoke has consistently refused to pass her exams. And Chief threatens to marry her off if she doesn't pass her WAEC this time around.
Auntie, that is serious. You have to do something about it. Do you have any plans?
Well, I've been trying, I managed to get her a very special teacher to come and give her extra moral lessons.
That is a very good idea.
But now, the problem is that the amount the lesson teacher wants to collect is too much. And Chief has refused that he's not
How
going
much
to...
is it? Money is the least of problems, Auntie. Remember, I am here. When I am here, problems have no room. You know, you have somebody, Auntie. How much is it?
Over 20,000 naira monthly.
Wonderful.
Oh, no coaching.
I think I'll pass over my way. Why? But why, Auntie? It's a never problem. Auntie, 20,000 naira. That is what you are shouting as if he's asking for 100 million naira. Cherry.
Hey!
It's a never problem.
Jumoke.
Pepper soup. 20,000. Short, Auntie. Short. Auntie. Manage it. Keep the rest.
Mama ya. Oh, Maggie. Onye ga-enye m Nduka. Onye ma nwanne m. Onye ga-enye m. Onye ga-enye m. Hey, Nduka.
Oh, Nduka. You are welcome, sir.
Oh,
how was your trip?
His trip is fine, eh? What do you want?
But I only came to greet our August visitor.
On September guest you go see.
Auntie, cheers. I'm a me fortune.
Guinea culture. On her cho Guinea.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Ijiji agaghị agafe. Enye Adabanye kwara n'ime fọsọ.
Welcome, sir. Senior, but I think Uncle...
No, he wants to give you the plates to take to the kitchen, but how can he send you?
That is no problem at all. I will do it with all pleasure.
Don't worry, I will do it, eh? Don't worry, I said don't worry. I mean, and you get cousin. Because him knew what?
Auntie Mother.
My dear, thank you, Biko. Now so then they do that because of the thing where they won't chop for mouth. Now make their eye they come out like a bulb where one get shock. Nonsense. Nduka! Thank you!
Auntie Mother.
Thank you! Nduka, Henina. Ask him not give we did Jimpa. Berede yiri ngoke. Ma na kwa berede keja mamoke. Merci. Merci. Aworo kwa kisi na oboku. Na bodo kaije. Merci. Oboku. Ise puta nwa bona. Sere nwa bona.
I do your children my children.
Darling.
The three components of the rule of law are supremacy before the law, equality before the law, and then civil liberty. However, there are three constraints at the rule of law. I believe you have been taught this at school. Beautiful. Can you mention one of such constraints?
Me, sir.
What a preposterous inquisition! Do you see any other individual engaged in erudition here at this moment?
Sir?
Expound to me on the limitations of the rule of law.
It is separation of powers, sir.
What? Incredulous! Such a nitwit. And you say you are in a senior secondary school? Ludicrous!
Is that the answer?
Will you shut your mouth in shame and pain? Rule of law is an entirely different topic from separation of powers. See, you're in secondary school. Huh? Now?
Teacher, where do you?
Oh, welcome, madam. Welcome. Limitations. Such that you won't be able to expound on this thing.
The mass is very expensive again.
You bring the sample.
Shebi, you are not interested. Why do you want to see the sample?
Ireti, I talk to you. I beg. Where the sample make I see?
Are you interested now?
No.
Her brother has brought her some money. Aladani kan Jenny.
Ireti. Now him still dey pepper you. But make I tell you. You see, my brother Kobo. Shit for my brother.
Ladies, please. Let's have some serenity, please. Huh? Your semantic and protrusions, the use of your buccal cavity is creating confusion in my cerebrum. I mean, my cerebral cavity. Please.
You do. No discourage my daughter's teacher.
So I will not speak again in my house. Oh my dear, go ko ye mi si o.
Ireti. I know wetin dey worry you. Yes o. Jealousy. Na him dey worry you. Chirepa. Abeg teacher.
Madam. What I mean is your constant clatter. Is causing a disruption in our desired objective. It's distracting. It's derailing.
Hey you, it's so clear. Hey, that is value for my money. Teacher, you sabi Oyibo well.
The point I'm emphasizing, for as long as you open your buccal cavity, you tend to disorient
Teacher,
yes, ma'am.
Save the rest to teach my daughter. Thank you. I will look for a place for you,
No place is quiet in Fuji house, mommy.
Shut up! Take him to the back of the house, and I will make sure that nobody disturbs you there.
Thank you very much.
Well done, you, yeah?
Thank you.
You sabi Oyibo well, though. Yes, so. Well done, Yeah. Mama Muji. You ready?
Grammar.
It good make person sabi Oyibo well. That now value for my money, Mama Muji.
The man is real omowe.
The man grammar. Mukuto Oyibo. He carry am, so he carry am for pata. I feel gonna know.
Please.
Mama Muji.
Make a teacher rab you too now.
No. This a very special teacher. Now for only my daughter.
Jonah, please. Jonah, please.
No. I say no. I no agree. Iko. Matakịrị mmadụ na o nwetago ezigbo onye ga-ekochi onye ọbụla na-agba okiri maka unu afụgo na onye ọbụla chọkwa ka nwaanyị enwe.
You are selfish.
Thank you.
Mommy. Plus meat, Papa.
Mommy.
Awesome. Are you just knowing that? Aladani kan Jenny.
Ireti, Osukweru, Osule, Pachara anya gị n'ụlọ ahụ. Ibidokwa, you started again, no? Your mouth still qualify for silly, no? Ifo, God. Nke gukwu. Anụ ofu na ha afụ unu maka na nwa m ka ha pass away. Oh, teacher.
Gross dereliction of duty. There is no way I'm going to contend this gross indiscipline. Ah. Young girl, you are quite you are attractive. Late. You are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I went to get a new notebook for the next subject.
So, what is the next subject?
You said we are doing English language today, sir.
Correct. You are quite astute and intelligent and pretty young girl.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, drop the sad bit. We are well acquainted. How long have I been coaching you?
2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks. Long enough for us to drop all the formalities.
I'm ready for the lecture.
Ready? You are ready?
For the lecture.
Oh,
What is today's topic?
Jumi, can I call you that?
As you wish, sir.
You see, you should relax. You know, as the saying goes, all work and no play makes Jack. I mean, Jumi a dull girl. You see?
So I can play too.
Of course you can play.
Thank you very much, sir.
No. You are getting it all wrong. I want you to relax here with me.
You should play too.
I'm a human being. Sit. Sleep. Tell me, what are your hobbies?
Well, I like dancing and listening to music.
I love music too. I love music. You know, I think we should go dancing together sometime.
Together? As in you and me?
Of course, yes. Look, you are an attractive young girl. Tell me, don't you think I am attractive? You know, Jumi, you see, there are simple things. Okay, you are a shy girl. I like that. See, there are times that when you have... Where do you think you're going? Come here! Come back! I said come! I will not allow such gross indiscipline. I said come back here!
Mommy, I don't want that teacher again. I don't want at all.
You don't want the teacher again? Hey, Jumoke. So what you are telling me now is that you are ready for marriage, eh?
Mommy, it's not like that.
Shut up your mouth! That teacher will teach you so you will not book, yeah?
Mommy, no. See, this teacher.
Shut up your mouth! Mommy!
Mommy!
You want to be the only illiterate child in Fuji household, but before you kill me, okay? I will not allow you to disgrace me, Before you disgrace me, I will disgrace you. If it means I will put that book into your ears, yo. I will disgrace you. Get out of my room!
Mommy,
Get out of my room! City Popo. Get out! Get out! In this sick and now. Phone called. I'm a bad teacher. I start spending my money.
I do your children my children.
Darling.
So, Jumoke, what will you do now?
I don't know. Maybe I should try that. Ola, what are you doing here? Eh? Since when have you been missing?
What do you want to talk about me now? Maybe I'll help you. You know I talk very well.
Will you scram?
Brother Ravi. This is between Sister Jumi and I. Hey, Sister Jumi, what is in it for me if I help you?
Well, before I open my eyes, I want you to evaporate and condense on your bed in the room now.
Easy, oh. After I'm only trying to help.
Will you scrap? Just the part about Bami. She only wanted to find out more.
So, should I still tell Bami?
Jumoke, if you tell Bami, it'll be worse. Bami will not listen to you. He will only flog you and marry you off like he threatened.
God forgive Bati. I don't want to marry me.
So, which will he do now? Teacher or trader? If he's trader, there's money. But teacher Sabi Buko.
Hey, you're making fun of me, Abby. It's not your fault.
Sorry, Jimmy, sorry, but you know, parents don't like to listen to such things.
So what would I do now?
Is this not Uncle?
Hey, you're a big guy now, eh? Let's see, yeah? We got a top number, yeah? Shake off. I love you. Oh, everybody is fine, eh? In fact, there's the actual greet you, huh? Come on. What about your coaching class, eh? Go. Look, read very, very well, you know? Study hard so that you will go to the university. You know? Ego, money, eh? It's not the problem. You know?
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
Sabon, let's go. Look, I have a big surprise for you.
Surprise! Oh, bring the car. Jumoke. Jumoke now.
Oh, what is it?
Shh, don't wake me up. Jumoke, I have the solution. Yes.
What is it?
See, tomorrow, ask your Uncle Nduka to buy you a Walkman.
Rabi, you think Walkman is my problem now?
No, Jumoke, but it is the solution to your problem.
Are you okay? Yeah?
But promise me, once we solve the problem with the Walkman, it becomes mine.
How will you solve my problem now?
Promise me first.
Okay, I promise.
Good. Once we get the Walkman, this is what we will do. We'll get the Walkman.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji has a commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.